Imagine this, you're sitting on your couch, sipping a cup of coffee, and you get a notification on your phone. It's an email from a company called Spaceship offering you the chance to invest in a spacecraft. You're intrigued, but you're also skeptical. After all, space travel is still a relatively new and expensive venture. So, what's the deal? Is this a scam, or is it a real opportunity to invest in the future? Section 1. What is Spaceship? Spaceship is a company that's trying to make space exploration accessible to everyone. They're doing this by offering people the chance to invest in spacecraft missions. Basically, you can become a space investor and contribute to the cost of a mission. In return, you'll get a share of the profits if the mission is successful. Section 2. How does it work? Investing in Spaceship is relatively simple. You create an account on their website, choose a mission to invest in, and then contribute funds. The amount you invest will determine your share of the potential profits. It's a bit like investing in a startup, but with a much more cosmic twist. Section 3. What are the risks? Like any investment, investing in Spaceship comes with risks. The most obvious risk is that the mission could fail. If the spacecraft doesn't launch successfully or if it doesn't achieve its objectives, you could lose your investment. Additionally, there's always the risk that the company itself could go under. Section 4. What are the potential rewards? If a spaceship mission is successful, the potential rewards could be huge. The company has stated that they plan to use the profits from their missions to fund future missions and to develop new technologies. This could lead to significant advancements in space exploration and potentially even the colonization of other planets. Section 5. Is Spaceship legit? There have been some concerns about the legitimacy of Spaceship. Some people have questioned whether the company is actually investing in spacecraft missions or if they're simply running a Ponzi scheme. However, the company has provided evidence to support their claims. Additionally, they've been featured in numerous news articles and have received endorsements from experts in the field. Section 6. Should you invest? Whether or not you should invest in Spaceship is a personal decision. It's important to do your own research and to understand the risks involved. If you're comfortable with the risks and you believe in the potential of space exploration, then investing in Spaceship could be a rewarding experience. So, what's the bottom line? Is Spaceship a scam or a legitimate investment opportunity? The jury is still out, but there's certainly potential. If you're interested in space exploration and you're willing to take on some risk, then investing in Spaceship might be worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.